What's going on, guys? Welcome to another throwback video, guys, of me just showing you around a few old cars that I have bought in the auction, what I paid, what I sold them for. This car was another, just disgrace, guys. Like I told you guys from the last video, I don't plan on buying Chryslers anymore. Not the Sebring, not the 200, not the 300, man. Like, these cars are just horrible, man. This one was a 2008 Chrysler Sebring. The only thing that was good about this car was the tires, man. But 2008 Chrysler Sebring, this bad boy had 188,000 miles, guys. But the transmission was slipping. So this is one of the cars, that I bought and the transmission was slipping, which was, horrible. I paid $1,100 for this car. I sold it for $840, just to get my money back. So I didn't lose too much money, but I did lose money at the end of the day. And I'm just glad I was able to recoup, most of my money back, because the transmission was slipping. It was like jerking. It didn't do it all the time, but this car was just horrible, guys. Like I say, I don't know about you guys. You guys let me know what you guys think about, Chryslers in the comments below. But me personally, guys, like, I don't plan on buying another Chrysler like ever again. In my upcoming videos, when I start taking you guys to the auction, you know what I mean? Like, I would have to get a Chrysler like very cheap, because they done let me down all three Chryslers that I have bought from the auction. You know what I'm saying? So I don't plan on buying another Chrysler. But you guys let me know what you guys think, though. Like I said, paid $1,100 for it, guys. Sold it for $840. Transmission was slipping. I didn't bother, trying to put another tranny in it or anything. 188,000 miles. The AC and stuff did work, but it was just that transmission, guys. But let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate you for watching, guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Help your boy out. Catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.